Sonia Miller of Junk Monkey Paint Company. Echo, echo, echo! If the acoustics sound a little different here from my usual vlogs, it's because we're hanging out in the bathroom together. About to take our relationship to a whole other level. And on this vlog, we get creative in all parts of the house. Thank you for joining me. I am a daily vlogger serving up some creativity. Today I'm hopefully going to inspire you to maybe take a look at that bathroom vanity and think about the possibilities. We've been here together, right? You might remember right here behind me, this was a project we did. This was all mirror, and we worked together on the vlog here to be able to create this really cool border in the colors of antique lace and smoky coal. You might also remember we used some sweet sunset, some black lace, and don't that look yummy? We also painted the other side vintage white and distressed it. There are so many things that you can do. Oh, the power of paint. Do it on a budget and make your home beautiful. So I am on a mission to make my shop bathroom just feel a whole lot more gorgeous, feel a whole lot more beautiful. She's got potential. She just needs somebody to give her some time. Got myself my antique lace. I am going to mirror the mirror and bring those colors down to the vanity. I don't think we're going to be able to take the knobs off, guys, because on the back, well, they don't go all the way through the back, and this little screw in the center of the white ceramic hardware is pretty rusted. Let me give you a close-up look, because before we make this beautiful, we should totally embrace what she was. Junk Monkey, this is Sonia. How can I help you?
Sonia, I am so excited. I just got my first shipment of paint. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
I watch your videos on YouTube.
You do? Sending big love to you today, girl. Guys, I love how it's turning out so far. It went from what I call a dirty white to an off-white, to a beautiful cream color. I cleaned it up, and all those stains, they just disappear with every single brush stroke. But this is one of my favorites here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the doors. Shabby chip brush. I love using my shabby chip brush with my paint because it gives me a distressed effect, because it doesn't give my paint complete coverage onto my space, which means when I pull this off, it's gonna look distressed. Ooh, I like it. So I'm gonna grab a used block that I have here, and my goal, knowing that underneath this antique lace is the original white, I'm going to distress the corners, bring a little bit of that white. I'm gonna do an overall polish sand with my sand block, and I think it'll marry up really, really nice with the handles and the white paint showing through. Because I kept the hinges on when I painted these, I went ahead and I knocked a little bit of the paint off the hinges as well. So just by adding some natural distressing around the edges and on those hinges, that's just gonna help with the natural evolution of wear and tear that everything gets around our home. It's gonna look like it's supposed to be there. You wanna be able to keep your bathroom clean, and you want it nice and wipeable, and chances are you'll be wiping a lot. Let's apply our banana peel acrylic solid sealer. I am loving how this is looking so far, and I just think it's amazing how just a little bit of paint, the power of paint, as I always say, can just transform something. I did not have to rip that out. I did not have to buy something new. I didn't have to figure out how to discard it. I didn't have to take the time to go find something new that would fit there, to pay a plumber, or any of those things. In fact, I got this done in an afternoon within an hour. My landlord is gonna love me. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Please give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I wanna know, does this flip give you ideas? What's gonna be your next project? Sound off below and I'll join you in the comments. See you soon.